Hi guys, I will show you how to jumpstart your Toyota Camry using the portable jump starter from Auxito. This is how it looks, guys. We have the clamps in the set. All you have to do is connect the clamp right here and you guys will see flashing green light. This means that it is ready to be connected. Now we will connect the red to the positive terminal and we'll connect black to the negative terminal. The light will change to solid green. This means that now we can start our vehicle. The car starts and now we can disconnect our clamps. First disconnect the negative and disconnect the positive. This device is very safe, it is spark proof and besides that it has reverse polarity protection. I'll show you guys what I mean. So if you accidentally connect black to red and red to black, it will actually guys give you the warning. First of all, the light will be red and you will hear the sound warning. Again, this is great, it won't cause any damage, it will just warn you that you have to connect them the other way around. Besides that guys, you can use it as a flashlight at night. And also you can use it to inflate your tires. So you just need to connect the hose. And now you connect this end to your valve on the wheel and you will be able to inflate your tires. So overall, if you guys need a reliable jump starter which has these additional functions, this is a great product, and if you guys like it, I will leave a link in the description. Don't forget to reinstall the cover. Thank you guys for watching, we'll see you in the next video.